Take a left right here. Addison, right here.
Hi! Come right in. Hi.
Hi.
Good to see ya. Welcome to the Hot Studios.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Addison, this is Jonah.
Addison, Jonah, Addison.
Very nice to meet you. John,
Good.
welcome.
Do you have something for Stacy?
I got you a bagel.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Ooh, that looks good. How nice. So we're going to talk in 2 minutes. Do you want to sit up in the chair right now
Yeah.
just for a second? This is how we run the station. Want to blast it? And this is where I talk, and that's where Jonah talks. We have a pretty good view. We can see everyone going to work.
You want to take a picture with him?